Distinguished class Arbella, class supervisor, pastor, and Dr. Uzio Kapunpon, Arbella, private coordinator, Sir Geraldine, RMCA, administrator, and principal and spiritual advisor are ever the rest teachers, fellow graduates, parents, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am thankful that I have completed another year of my life as a pupil of Maranatha Christian Academy of Cadiz Negros Occidental Incorporated, and now I am ready to face the challenges of the first grade. This moving up ceremony marks the success of our parents in providing us with their unending love and care. To mommy and daddy, I just want to say thank you for everything you do for me. Your love, sacrifices, and support mean the world to me. I'm forever grateful and so blessed to have you both. I love you so much, mommy and daddy. To our respected school administrator and teaching staff, we extend our deepest gratitude for your dedication, patience, and commitment to our growth. Thank you for teaching us how to read, write, count, and solve simple numbers. Thank you as well for teaching us how to play and to love